सरकार के नक्शे कदम पर अब असम सरकार भी चल पड़ी है। असम की बीजेपी सरकार ने लव जिहाद के मामलों में आजीवन कारावास की सजा करने की तैयारी वो कर रही है। इसके लिए असम सरकार कानून बना रही है। लव जिहाद के साथ साथ लैंड जिहाद को रोकने के लिए राज्य सरकार नए कानून पर विचार भी कर रही है, जिसके तहत हिंदुओं और मुसलमानों के बीच एक नियम के मुताबिक जमीन का लेन देन हो सकेगा। इसके साथ ही असम की सरकार जो है और उसकी तरफ से एक और कानून तैयार हो रहा है, जिसके तहत यदि आप असम में सरकारी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं तो आपका असम में जन्म लेना जरूरी है।
हम लोग लैंड जिहाद, लाभ जिहाद, जैसे लैंड का बंटवारा, लैंड का पार्टीशन, लैंड का रजिस्ट्रेशन, म्यूटेशन, सब कुछ हो रहा है। लेकिन इंडिजिनियस पीपल को हम लोग जाति माटी भेटी के लिए गवर्नमेंट है। इस आधार पर हम लोग एक रेजोल्यूशन रखा हुआ और मुख्यमंत्री जी ने इसको एक्सेप्ट किया और तीसरा और चौथा वर्ग कर्मचारी है, जो एम्प्लॉय है, असम के जो इंडिजिनियस पीपल वो लोग को मौका देने के लिए एक रेजोल्यूशन पास किया।
What were their commitment during the election? Chief Minister is totally failed to implement their commitment.
Which shall prohibit inter-community only restrict land sales to inter-community. Scheduled tribe will sell their land only to scheduled tribe. Scheduled caste will sell their land only to scheduled caste. And OBC will sell their land only to OBC in the undivided Gwalpara district, where demographic invasion is now at the peak. So there are various other actions we are going to take in next 2 years. We have promised those in our manifesto, and now we are going to implement those manifesto. We will walk against love jihad, we will walk against land jihad.
Also, the land transfer between two religion, people of two religion.
When there is a land transfer in two religion, there is a two angle. That whether land sale is voluntary or the land sale has been triggered by some extraneous circumstances. So these land sales are very, very sensitive. So these land sales will be allowed. We are not prohibiting the land sales, but these land sales will be allowed only after taking approval from the government. It will not be done at the district commissioner level. It will be allowed only at the level of the government. So that SOP notification will also, we are formulating. All these things you will see in next 2 to 3 months. You will see all these things on implementation on the ground.
You're also upgrading the domicile policy of the state.
You see, our domicile policy will be inclusive. We understand that government employment, etc., more particularly grade 3, grade 4, this is an aspiration of the local youth. And if these jobs goes to them and goes somebody who is not there in the state, definitely create a lot of heartburning. But at the same time, we also aware of the fact that Assam has a multicultural society, multi-ethnic society. So our domicile policy will be inclusive, which will include the ethnic and cultural requirement of every community who resides in Assam.
The Parliament is also planning to bring a walk-up bill. Any such property?
As of now, I have not seen the draft. I have not seen the amendment bill. Only I know that walk-off bill will be amended. That is what in media. And if it is true, then it is a long-standing requirement. And I think that reform will give lot of justice to the Muslim women. And I think that this is one step which will be considered for giving justice to the Muslim women, and also it will ensure that the Waqf property goes to whom it should go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
तो असम के मुख्यमंत्री हेमंत बिस्वा को आप आप सुन रहे थे किस तरीके से जमीन को लेकर कौन किसको अपनी जमीन बेच सकता है। वहीं दूसरी तरफ अगर आपको सरकारी नौकरी चाहिए तो असम में जन्म लेना अनिवार्य होगा आपके लिए। हालांकि सीएम की प्रतिक्रिया के बाद और ये जो कुछ भी असम राज्य में होने जा रहा है उस पर मणिकम टैगोर का क्या कुछ कहना है वो भी सुनिए।
It's ridiculous that the Chief Minister of Assam, Mr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, continues to divide Assam and continues to spread hate. And he is the top rated hate monger in the country itself now. And he wants to be in the good books of Nagpur, and therefore he is making these kind of things, which is very unfortunate.